To make sure the lid is securely closed and won't be easily opened by your dog, ensure the lid is pressed down firmly. You'll hear a click sound when the lid is properly sealed. You can try this first without food inside to make sure you hear the sound. Then add the food and close the lid again, ensuring that click sound confirms it's securely in place. Why is it important for your dog to finish the food before pressing again? To ensure the toy dispenses food properly, and to avoid blockages, make sure your dog finishes all the food in the compartment before pressing the toy again. If your dog presses it too soon without finishing the food, it may cause the food to pile up and block the dispensing channels, which can affect how well the toy works.